In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix battery draining too fast on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or Samsung S25 Plus. If your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25 Plus is experiencing rapid battery drain, several troubleshooting steps can be helped. First of all, you actually want to go to device care. So go to settings and then you want to go to battery and device care. You could type in battery. And next, what you need to do is go ahead and click on use battery saver as well. That should be able to help you out. The other thing you could also do is navigate to settings and go to about phone and update, then tap on it. You could go to the update. You could also try updating or checking for an software update. Here you should be able to find the update option, see whether that will be able to fix the issue or not. Likewise, you could also ensure your phone is running the latest software by checking for an update. And so what you could also do is you could also consider uninstalling application that is no longer in use or that you no longer use it, so that should be able to help you out as well. The other thing you will also consider is the factory reset. If other solution doesn't work, a factory reset can be considered as a last resort. For that, you simply want to come to and then you simply want to go ahead and click on system. Here you want to go to reset option and make sure to erase all the data. That could be able to help. If not, you could also make sure your device is plugged into a proper functioning PC or USB-C headset, or charging issue can contribute to battery drain as well. So you could either contact the support team if nothing works, or you could simply go ahead and make sure to check for your updates or some of the functions in your device itself. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.